So, but anyway, I think I need to land the plane, Sister Lynn, because if I keep talking, if I keep doing these things, I cannot land the plane. It's already 2 o'clock, and I have appointment tomorrow. For the boat, and please pray for the boat, please, Lord, that it will be okay, and everything will be okay. Faith, have faith, and trust God to do miracle things. So, yeah, bye for now. And amen, Sister Lynn. Thank you so much for being here. And also for the 7 billion people right now. 7 billion people right now. So, okay. And the Layman Seminary plane, Sister Lynn, is almost landing. Just checking the runway. If it is clear, yeah, I think it's clear already. So, and so now, guys, thank you so much for being here, and for your time, spending your time listening to me, and how gracious God is, and the work of God in our lives. We need to be thankful, even though the what we see right now is very, very crumpled threads, the back of the tapestry, but we have hope.